I'm going to steep 4 bags of black tea with 2 cups of boiling water. I'm going to add some mint leaves. I will not be adding extra sugar to my iced tea, but if you wanted to, you could do this in a pot and dissolve as much sugar as you're going to use with the water, and then steep the bags and the mint, okay? We're gonna let this steep for about 10 minutes. I have 6 cups of cold water in this pitcher. I'm going to strain that tea in. And I'm going to squeeze in a lemon. And a cup of orange juice. We're gonna let that get nice and cold and then enjoy it. I'm gonna serve this with a slice of orange, add some ice, and a little bit of mint. Very refreshing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.